Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this electric spin brush. So I'm going to use it to clean my shower right now. I've sprayed some cleaner. The on-off button is right here. It's got two speeds of operation, kind of a low, then a high. I like that the handle extends. I can get right up in those corners and it is really powerful. So I'm going to do all the corners first. And I'm not having to bend over. That's what's really, really nice. If I need to go up the wall. Okay, now I installed this flat scrubber. Let's turn it on high. Let's turn it on low. Even low is really, really powerful. Now I can scrub the bottom of the flat surface now. Let's go to high. If I need to do the walls, I'm not bending over to scrub my bathroom floor. Okay, so let's take a look at the LyriFine electric spin scrubber. So I love that you can charge it with USB-C. It's right here in the middle. When you charge it, there's going to be a red light that comes on to let you know that to show you it's charging. Make sure you put this on, that keeps water out. This is very simple to operate. Low speed, high speed, and off. It's also very easy to disconnect, so it's going to come in two pieces. You can use it with just this handle, and this part here, you know, that's about 16 inches. But when we put this extension on, we can leave it folded up like that. That's about 30 inches. Or we can extend it to several different places along the way. Now with it extended all the way, it's right at 40 inches long. It does come with a cable that is USB-C, but you've got to plug it into a wall charger. The heads are very easy to put on and off. You just line up those two little indentations there and they snap on. Again, very powerful. Here's some other cleaning heads we get. This one's got Velcro. So you can put, this is like a really soft, and we've got these like Scotch-Brite scrubbers here. So that's very aggressive. I'm very happy with this electric spin scrubber. Thanks for watching.